Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix overheating problem on any Samsung phone. Now for the first tip, just open the app drawer. Now just delete any third-party app which might be causing the overheating problem. Just like that. Once you've done that, go to your home screen and open the control center on your smartphone. Just disable any unnecessary connections from here. Just like that. Now for the third tip, just do not use your phone while charging and also do not charge your phone when your phone is already warm. Now for the fourth tip, just open the settings app, battery, background usage limits, sleeping apps. Now just add any app which you don't want to run in the background. Just like that. Now just tap on add. Now for the fifth tip, just go to your home screen. Now just reboot your smartphone. To do that, just swipe down and open the control center. Now just tap on the power icon over here and tap on restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the overheating problem on your smartphone. As you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix the overheating problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.